Russia's security agency, the Federal Security Service, says it has dismantled an alleged international terrorist cell operating in Crimea. Officials claim 2 residents of the Bakhchisarai district were detained after holding clandestine meetings to recruit locals. A criminal case has been opened under Russia's anti-terror laws.
The suspects were recruiting local Muslims with the aim of their subsequent systematic training based on the doctrine of establishing a so-called worldwide caliphate.
According to the FSB, searches at the suspects' residences uncovered banned propaganda, communication equipment, and electronic storage devices. Investigators allege the material detailed recruitment methods and the operational structure of a prohibited organization. Authorities say the group was actively spreading extremist ideology inside the peninsula.
A criminal case has been initiated under the charge of organizing the activities of a terrorist organization and participating in its activities.
Crimea remains a geopolitical flashpoint, annexed by Russia in 2014 but internationally recognized as part of Ukraine. Any reported extremist activity there carries wider political and security implications. Moscow has long argued that heightened vigilance is necessary to counter radical threats in the region. The detained suspects now face prosecution under Russia's criminal code on terrorist organization charges. If convicted, they could receive lengthy prison sentences under strict counter-extremism laws. The FSB has not named the organization allegedly involved, and independent verification of the claims has not emerged.